I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and owner of ER Plumbing Services. If you're on this page, you probably have an emergency in your home or business. We're available to help you today so you don't have to wait until tomorrow. Give us a call and you'll talk to somebody right away. We deal with plumbing emergencies every day, and we've been serving Charlotte since 1997. So we have the experience needed to solve your plumbing problem. Here's what makes us stand out. We're open 24/7, 365 days a year. Unlike our competition, we never charge extra for nights, weekends, or holidays. And we employ a rotating staff, so you'll always get an experienced plumbing technician that's well rested and ready to handle your plumbing emergency, no matter what time of day. We are equipped to handle everything, from large-scale commercial plumbing emergency situations to residential emergency plumbing needs. We own all our own equipment, and we can respond immediately and never have to wait for renting equipment. Our trucks are fully stocked, and our warehouse is filled with the necessary equipment and parts needed to make an emergency repair. To schedule service, call ER Plumbing today, 704-846-5371, or you can visit us at erplumbing.com, where you're serviced once, client for life.